Ututoma ehioma abalioma umu Biafra. Keko no meno bostangwane. You know I see the hot. They bring them here show una. Make una watch this video. Just watch this video because things are happening in Igbo land now. Watch. Please, as you they watch it, make you they comment, they like. Subscribe, more subscribe bit. Follow us for more. And try to follow.
I recognize your face. Go about my brother.
Ndibaye Abepamozo with another latest update from Mazi Simon Ekpa. How update going the Tata Sunday, the 23rd of July 2023. Here update Basara the sit at home. Nnamdi for some days now, man, the lawyer Mazi Nnamdi kanu, different updates from everywhere. Our governors from the southeast, everything naga on so how information much on in Basara they sit at home. And again, don't misunderstand me and with the way this information in the buy non and non southeast can dear way. You understand? So that bono abona mara ebono can happy anybody. Because ihe na happen on ala Igbo now, onwe onye ma na onye na-eme ya or no onye a na-eme ya. But I say that prevention is better than cure, right? So that ka ha megene no ru onwe ha, because onye puta now, God forbid, ihe eme onye ahụ appoint wakwa onye appoint wakwa the other person. And again, in abambo ke watch this video to the end, because the last video now in the age day. As Nanda would so name so many things name na live. Though I borrow after this sendreha, but according to him, Mazi Simon Ekpa na Twitter handle, you're not quarter that no Senator Ifeanyi Oba. That is what he wrote on his Twitter handle. You understand? But according to the video, even the video na quarter na the guy. Just soon we get the video, just get the video to the end. And please, my people, share this video. Share so that can the buy on a east. Kahadia we name waited information so that when we run up on our follow pray to all these things na happen on our Igbo. Please save life, save properties, please, by sharing this video, guys.
Fellow Biafrans, this is the 23rd day of July 2023, and the 24th, which is tomorrow, is going to be our Monday. From tomorrow, Enugu state of Biafra land will become the capital and the epicenter of our civil disobedience sit at home. From tomorrow. And those who are announcing about Simon Ekpa escaping whatever, disregard them. We have defeated them. This time around, they will know that this is not 1967. We have come to finish what our forefathers started. I have come to finish what Ojukwu started. I have come to do it. And all of you will be dragged to freedom this year. Thank you very much. May God bless you. Tomorrow, we want Enugu State to be under complete lockdown. Disregard what illegitimate and wife snatcher Peter Mba is doing. He is misleading you. He never loved you. Biafra love you. Biafra government love you. And we are here to protect your future and give you freedom that you deserve. May God bless you.
See the one where shoot my brother here. See the idiots. See the idiot here. I recognize evil idiot. I recognize him face. Go about my brother. I recognize you. I recognize you that day. Not the motor ever. See the motor. We don't catch one of them. Get our brother, no, you will. See the guy. See the one where shoot my brother here. See the idiots. See the idiot here. I recognize evil idiot. I recognize him face. Go about my brother. I recognize you. I recognize you that day. Not the motor ever. See the motor. We don't catch one of them. Get our brother, no, you will. See.
Like, share, comment on this video.